In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Hallador Energy Company and where to find its listing. Hallador Energy is an energy producer whose shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker HNRG. This information is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After you register, you'll be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HNRG to locate the stock. Make sure the search result matches Hallador Energy Company on NASDAQ before you proceed. Open the company page to review basic information and the price chart, confirming this is the correct listing. Check the market details and the recent price trend to ensure it matches HNRG. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once completed, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.